Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video to talk about and have an idea of what's happening with a security vulnerability that was found within Windows 7 this week. And Google, of course, disclosed this find with its Google's Project Zero. And of course, when they actually talk about a flaw, it means that Microsoft or the company behind it didn't do anything to fix it. So this is an interesting side to it. Of course, it's not just Windows this week. We also learned that Mac OS has a major flaw also that's been unfixed, unpatched for the past 3 months. Now, it's important to patch when a fix will be available. Microsoft is working on a fix for this. Apparently, it will actually have a mitigation for it, which means it can't probably fix it really, but it can do something to make it more difficult to exploit. And it's interesting because Google Chrome, we know, has a major flaw that was exploited by bad guys. Now, the flaw here in Windows 7 is also already exploited by bad guys. But it's interesting because it's the flaw in Windows 7 plus a flaw in Google Chrome that together made it really an amazing way of being able to simply hack into devices and do whatever you want. So of course Microsoft is working on a fix. Don't check it out, but if there's a out of cycle fix that could be possible, I would think they would actually release maybe the next fix for Patch Tuesday. Coming up, by the way, this coming Tuesday, we will be March the 12th. So of course that will be the Security Update Tuesday. So I think it's going to be very important to make sure that we actually take the time to update our systems this coming Tuesday with all that's happening. So remember to update your Google Chrome browser. It already mitigates the problem here with Windows 7. But don't forget to, I think Patch Tuesday will be an important one for Windows 7 also, as we know that the bad guys are already using this security flaw. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.